Welcome to this video dedicated to Leonardo AI, an online platform for advanced AI image generation and modification, a very good and free alternative to Midjourney. We are going to see how to start with Leonardo AI from scratch, from joining it to obtaining stunning results with AI. We will learn how to generate stunning images for different use cases. I will show you how to create consistent characters using different prompts. Also learn about the real-time canvas, where you can draw something with your mouse and it converts it into an image in real time. I will show you the real-time generation, where you write a prompt and it generates the image continuously in real time. You will also learn how to convert an image into a video. Additionally, we will explore how to upscale an image using Leonardo. Even if you don't know anything about Leonardo AI, this tutorial will teach you everything. To start working with Leonardo AI, open the browser and search for it. Open the website and click on Get Started. You can log in on its website with your Apple, Google, Microsoft account, or with your email address. I will go with Google. Choose your Google account and you will be on the home page. Now this is Leonardo's homepage, and if you scroll down you can see community creations, images that are generated by other creators. We will discuss it later. Here are the features it offers. The first one is the real-time canvas that you see at the beginning, and this is real-time generation. Motion, this is actually image to video feature. This is image generation, which is the main feature of this AI tool. There are some more tools you can see. All these tools are also accessible from this left side panel. The first option is Personal Feed, where you can find your generation. There will be all the images that you ever generated using this tool. You can see all the images I have generated here. Let's not waste any more time and start with image generation. This is its most popular tool. The interface looks something like this. First, there's the option to select the number of images, where you can choose how many images you want to generate. Then there are options available to enhance the quality of the photos, which are used in different use cases. Below that, there's the option to select image dimensions, where you can choose the size of the image you want to generate. In advanced controls, you can select the aspect ratio. Below that, there is the guidance scale, where you can select how closely the tool should follow your prompt, or how much freedom it should have in generating the image. There is also a generation history where you can see your recently generated images. Image guidance allows you to upload an image and generate similar images with some changes. There's a prompt generation feature where you can enter just a basic idea, and it will generate a better prompt for you. In AI image creation, there are two interfaces. If you turn off legacy mode, you'll see a simple basic interface, and if you keep it on, you'll see an interface with many more options. Let's keep it off and start with the basic interface. At the top, there is an option for presets, where different presets are available like Leonardo Phoenix, Anime, Cinematic Concept, and many more. The first preset, Leonardo Phoenix, is an expensive model, which means it consumes the most credits while generating images. The other presets use fewer credits. After that, there's a prompt enhancer that you can turn on or off according to your requirement, or set it to automatic, which means it will automatically enhance your prompt if needed. Then you can choose a preset style for your image. There's a contrast option where you can set it to low, medium, or high. There are two modes available for generations: fast and free, and for quality you need to purchase a plan. Below that, you can choose the image dimensions. In the free plan, you can generate public images, but for private images, you need to have a paid plan. Below that, there are advanced settings that you can set according to your image requirements. Let's generate our first image. I have entered a basic prompt: a serene beach at sunset with waves gently lapping the shore and vibrant orange skies. Now I click on Generate. The images have been generated. Check the quality, guys. It's hard for me to tell whether these are AI-generated images or photos clicked by a professional photographer. Let's give it a more detailed prompt and see what it generates. The images have been generated. Now look at the results. Let's generate the same image with a different preset. I select the Leonardo Lightning model and click Generate. Now look at the quality of these images. It looks like they were taken from a Hollywood movie. Let's turn on legacy mode and try some images there. Here you can select a fine-tuned model for your image. I select Albedo Base XL. There's an option to add negative prompts. It means that you specify things you don't want in your image. First, I will add a prompt for an image, and then I will add negative prompts. Okay, I have added negative prompts like bloody, distorted, grainy, and overexposed. Let's generate the images and see how they turn out. Now you can check the quality of these images and see that nothing odd has been generated. Do you know that a few years ago, graphic designers used to spend a lot of time creating such images, and now you can generate them with just one click. Now let me tell you the best prompt formula to create stunning images in Leonardo AI. First, you describe the subject, then specify what type of image you want, then describe the image style you want, add the camera view you want, and finally, set additional details. If you keep this formula in mind while writing your prompt, you can generate outstanding images. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you want to focus on one particular aspect of your image, mention it first. Because whatever you mention first, Leonardo will give it more detail and make it more dominant in the image. Now let me give you a prompt. A lone, moss-covered lighthouse rises from a churning sea of emerald and amethyst, its beacon piercing a twilight sky of swirling lavender and apricot. Photorealistic style with dreamlike elements, low-angle viewpoint, emphasizing the towering height and isolation of the lighthouse. In this, you can see that we have the subject description, then the type of image style we want, then the camera viewpoint we've added, which in this case is a low-angle viewpoint. After that, we have the additional rendering details. So we have everything we need for a prompt formula. Let's generate this. Okay, our images have been generated, and you can see that the image generator has created exactly the kind of image we described. Now let's change the fine-tune model and see what it generates. I select Leonardo Lightning XL again and generate it. Now look at the images generated with the same prompt. They look so realistic that you can't tell it's an AI-generated image. Below, you have a download button where you can download your image. There's also a copy option where you can copy your image and paste it directly anywhere. You can remove the background of the image, upscale it, or delete it from here. Sometimes, when we are generating images of a person, we need several images of that person in different poses, or we need the person doing different things, but with the same face. This is known as generating a consistent character. Many people use this to create fake AI influencers on Instagram and earn thousands of dollars monthly. Now let me show you how to generate a consistent character. Let's turn off legacy mode and delete this prompt. I have 2 prompts available that I will use to teach you how to create a consistent character. I'll copy the first prompt and paste it here. I'll choose the Leonardo Phoenix preset and click Generate. You can see how cool the images it generated are. Now, if you like this character, to generate a consistent character, click on these 3 dots and copy the seed. A blue notification will confirm that the seed has been copied. Then go to Advanced Settings, and under Fix Seed, paste the seed in the box or it will automatically turn on. Now copy the second prompt, which is for a different pose. You can try using my prompts. I'll include them in the description. Paste it here and click Generate. Okay, our images have been generated, where our character is in a crowd eating cotton candy. You can judge for yourself that it's the same character. You can also change its dress, etc. in the prompt. Let's move on to Leonardo's other tool, which is the motion generator. This allows you to add motion to your image and convert it into a video. For this, let's generate an image first and then add motion to it. I'll paste a prompt here and generate it. Now on the image you want to convert into a video, click on the Generate Motion Video button. It consumes 25 credits to generate a motion video. Here, you can increase or decrease the motion strength. From recent images, you can also select another image that you generated earlier. Then click Generate and view generation. Our video has been generated, and you can see how well it has animated the image. Let's move on to the next tool, which is Real-Time Canvas. Click on it, and you'll see an interface like this. Here you can draw anything, and it will generate an image similar to what you drew. You can change the brush color from here. Let me draw something here, and you'll see that as I draw, it will generate an image accordingly. You can change colors to generate something unique. Now, I'll select the eraser, clean this up, and move on to the next tool. The next tool is Realtime Generation. In this, you type a prompt, and as you type, it changes the image in real time, adding whatever you type to it. It's a very cool feature. Let's try it out. It has a basic interface. At the bottom, there's a prompt box where you need to type your prompt. Watch as I type, and it changes the image accordingly. For example, I type here, man walking in a street with a bag. As you can see, it's generating the image in real time. Now I'll delete this prompt and type something else like a girl with a child. There's a small elements box on the side where you can make changes. Let me show you how. The first is the kid's illustration. As I increase it, you can see the image changing as well. Now let's try the anime option and the other 2. I'll show you by trying them. Below, you have different preset styles that you can change and generate images according to your requirement. Let's generate this anime image. In the top right corner, there's a Create with Scale button. Click on it, and it will consume 8 credits. Now it's saying to go to your personal feed to view your defined image. Let's go to the personal feed, but the image isn't there because it's still generating. So let's go back to image generation, and you can see that our image is still processing. Okay, it's generated and you can see the result. It's an amazing image, and you can check its quality. It's within your limit. Let's move on to the next tool, which is the Canvas editor. In this tool, you can upload an image and place the box where you want to expand the image. After that, you generate the extended content for the image. But since I have very few credits left, I won't be using this feature. However, you can try it if you like. Moving on to the next tool, which is the Universal Upscaler. This tool is used to upscale images. Here you can click on Add Image and then Upload Image to upload an image from your computer and upscale it. Let's say I upload this image. After that, you can adjust the creativity strength, which controls how much the upscaling will alter the image. Below that, there's an option called Upscale Multiplier, where you can select how much you want to upscale your image. There's also a prompt box where you can enter a prompt, though it's optional. I'll leave it as is. You can also use any recent images you've uploaded. Then you click on Upscale. Now the image has started to upscale. Okay, the image has been generated, and you can see the before and after. I'll download this image and show you the clear result. You can see the difference between the two images here. Now that we've gone through all the AI tools, let's explore some additional features. First, in the Advanced section, you have the Fine-Tune Models option. Let's open it. Here you'll find a variety of fine-tuned models that you can use. You'll find models of all kinds. Next, there are community models, where you'll also find plenty of models. You can open and use any model to generate images by clicking on Generate with this model. Then there's the Your Models section, where any models you've generated will be shown. This is also where your favorite models will appear. For example, if I mark any model as a favorite, it will show up here. After fine-tune models, there's the Training and Dataset section, where you can train models for your own use, but you'll need to purchase a paid plan for that. Next is 3D texture generation, followed by premium plans. Let's take a look at the plans. The free plan gives you 150 fast tokens daily. Their first paid plan starts at $10, and you can check out the other plans if needed. Next, on the homepage, you'll find Community Creations, where you can see images generated by other users. You can use any of these images in your videos, etc., as they are all copyright-free. Now let's go to the Upscaled tab. In this tab, you'll find images that different people have upscaled using Leonardo's AI upscaler. Here, I'll compare two images to show you the difference. I'll open this image in the All tab, and you can see its quality. This is the same image that looks like this after being upscaled. After upscaling, the image looks very natural and high quality. Now let's go to the Motion section, where you'll see different motion videos that other users have generated. If you like any of the videos here, you can open and download them. Lastly, in this section, you have various styles available for photos, such as photography, animals, anime, architecture, characters, food, and many more. You'll find different types of photos and videos here, so feel free to check them out. That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.